Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Modern bedroom inspirations with tropical blooms. Creating a modern bedroom that incorporates tropical blooms can transform your space into a serene and vibrant retreat. Here are some inspiring ideas to help you achieve this look. Color palette. Start with a neutral base to highlight the vibrant colors of tropical flowers. Shades of white, beige, and light gray can create a calm and sophisticated backdrop. Add pops of color with tropical hues like lush greens, bright pinks, and sunny yellows through accessories and decor. Floral accents. Incorporate tropical flowers such as orchids, hibiscus, and bird of paradise. These can be real plants, high-quality artificial flowers, or floral prints on bedding, curtains, and wall art. The key is to balance the boldness of the flowers with the simplicity of modern design. Natural materials. Use natural materials like wood, rattan, and bamboo to bring a touch of the tropics into your modern bedroom. A wooden bed frame, rattan chairs, or bamboo blinds can add warmth and texture to the space. Minimalist furniture. Choose sleek, minimalist furniture to maintain the modern aesthetic. Opt for pieces with clean lines and simple shapes. A platform bed, streamlined nightstands, and a minimalist dresser can keep the room looking uncluttered and spacious. Lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Use a combination of natural light and soft, ambient lighting to create a relaxing atmosphere. Consider adding a statement light fixture with a tropical design, such as a pendant light with a woven shade. Textiles and accessories. Incorporate textiles that reflect the tropical theme. Think about adding a tropical print throw blanket, cushions with botanical patterns, or a rug with a subtle floral design. Accessories like vases, candles, and decorative bowls can also enhance the tropical vibe. Greenery. Adding greenery is essential for a tropical-inspired bedroom. Place potted plants like palms, ferns, or monstera in strategic locations around the room. Not only do they add a touch of nature, but they also improve air quality and create a calming environment. Personal touches. Finally, add personal touches that reflect your style and personality. This could be a collection of seashells from your travels, a piece of artwork that you love, or family photos in stylish frames. By combining modern design elements with tropical blooms, you can create a bedroom that is both stylish and inviting. This blend of contemporary and natural elements will make your bedroom a perfect sanctuary for relaxation and rejuvenation.